Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make this wonderful Kahwa, which is a black tea. Now, this has been circulating all around India, and I've been recommended from people in India to make this for quite a while now, especially with the year that we've had, especially with all the news. This drink is really being appreciated in India because people swear by the fact that it is an incredible immune booster. It's got various different spices in it. When I looked at the ingredients, I was pleasantly surprised by how many spices it has, or how many ingredients it has that are super healthy, that really promote your immune to be boosted. And we were like, you know what, I think today we need to dedicate this video for something like this for you viewers, because it's just something that will enlighten you, that will help you in terms of your health, and it's also something good to drink. So with that said, let's move on to the recipe now. So you want to begin by adding in half a liter of water. And that's done, so let's move to the next step. So here I have half teaspoon of tea leaves that goes inside. And we use this particular brand of tea leaves, but you can find other alternatives. What we are going to do is we're going to add in 2 pieces of ginger. Here I have 2 pieces of cardamom that goes inside. Now this is Nigella Sativa, or as we say in Urdu, kalwanji. So we are going to add in half teaspoon of this. Here I have a pinch of turmeric, or haldi as we call it. That goes inside. I have a piece of cinnamon over here, which is dalchini. Here I have 2 teaspoons of jaggery, or gur we call it. That goes inside. And I have 2 pieces of cloves that goes inside. Now these are 3 black peppers, or kali mirch, that goes inside. Now just a little pinch of salt over here. Just gonna add that in. And then we're gonna give it a good mix. Let's give it a mix and let it come to a boil, and then let's let it simmer for the next few minutes. Okay, you saw how to make this kahwa, this black tea, and I've got it here to taste, so it's gonna give it a taste. It's got this sort of dark brownish color to it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That's quite good. I'm quite happy with that, and I can't wait to actually finish the rest of it. It's got a bit of sweetness because we put jaggery into it, so that's really nice, and it's a very nice taste actually to it. I would actually prefer something like this over a green tea, or over various different teas that are available in a market, or that you can sometimes make from home. So it tastes good. Obviously, if it's served warm, it's the best way to have it. And the main thing is that it's not even about the taste. That's a bonus. That's the icing on the cake. The main thing is that it's an immune booster. It's good for your health. It's good to just have, especially during these testing times. So with that said, do like this video. So if you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on your phone, or if you're watching on your computer or your laptop or your tablet, you'll see a like button right at the bottom of this video. Please hit that like button. We can't emphasize how important that is for us. We can't underestimate how important that is for us. So please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please also hit the red subscribe button, because that will mean a lot to us. That will mean that you are confident with the content that we are putting out for free as well. And once you press the subscribe button, you'll see the notification bell icon pop up just besides the subscribe button. So click on that so that you are informed of our daily releases. And also, if you can, this will be much appreciated. Share this content to as many people as possible, especially with a recipe like this. I'm sure that you have someone in your family that maybe is elderly, that maybe needs this advice. They could be of any age as well, and you can share it to them. You know, it can make a massive difference to their daily lives. So do share it to your people, do share it to your friends, do share it to your family. And with that said, catch you in the next one.